In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize shoes on Nike website. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to make custom designs through the Nike website. So go to nike.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and once you arrive at this page, you will be able to browse through all of the shoes. So you can hover over men or women or kids and then select your own. Now, what you will notice is that when you click on a specific shoe, you will see the main colors that are available for that particular model, and you will only be able to create your custom design if you click on a specific one and you see this option here, design your own. If you don't see this option, then sadly you will not be able to customize a particular model. So in this example here, this Nike AVA roster will not have the option to be customized, but this Nike Dunk Low Retro does. So once you click on this, you will be taken into the design maker here. So click on customize once more after you select gender and then size, and finally you can make the customization. So you will have various different categories at the bottom. You can change the material between smooth leather and pebbled leather like this, and you can change the colors. Go through all of the categories, and every time that you select a new one, it will flash to indicate which part of the shoe you are customizing. So you can select another color here. It will change immediately on the preview. You can keep going. Once again, it is going to flash to indicate which part of the shoe you are changing. And I'm just choosing random colors to make it very obvious how this customization works. So it is simple, intuitive, and you will be able to do it by yourself. After you have selected everything, you will be able to share it with other people, so you can click on this link here if you would like to share this design made by you, or you can click on done and it is going to be available for you to purchase. So it is going to appear under your designs. You will see a bunch of preview pictures here. You can choose the size and then sign in to buy. Keep in mind that this is a member's product, so you might need to be a member on the website to get this done. So I hope I was able to help you customize your shoes. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.